Hey there, creative explorers! Are you ready for an amazing adventure? Today, we are going on a magical journey to turn trash into treasure. Look around your room. Can you spot an old, forgotten toy just waiting for a second chance? Let's grab that dusty teddy bear and give it a whole new life. First, we'll give our bear friend a good clean. Now, let's add some sparkle. With a bit of glitter glue and some colorful buttons, we're transforming this tired teddy into a dazzling space explorer. As we work, imagine the incredible adventures our bear will have among the stars. Ta-da! Our bear is now Captain Stardust, ready to zoom through galaxies. Let's blast off on a quick space mission around the room. Whoosh! Now it's your turn, creative crew. What forgotten item can you turn into something spectacular? Remember, always ask a grown-up before starting your upcycling mission. Share your amazing creations in the comments below. Let's make magic from the forgotten.